Now you're each gonna camp on a different island by yourself for 3 days and 3 nights. Look around you. It's your own slice of paradise. The point of a solo is introspection. It's a chance to think about why you're here in the first place and the kind of person you decide to be in the future.
Hey, wait, so you live here? Can you at least tell me your name?
Stay close to the fire.
So how long have you been here for?
Since I was little,
Were there other people here too?
just my mother.
What is all this?
You can't ever go through here, okay? She'll kill you if she finds you.
Toby!
I thought you were leaving.
The person that was supposed to pick me up, she's dead. I found her boat shipwrecked, and I found her body. I saw your mother. I think she killed her. What happened here?
I see these things at night. These terrible things at night.
She's stuck here, just like us.
This is a survival course, remember? Let's just get out of here while we still can.
I have to help her.
Don't leave without me.
You have no idea what you're doing. Something is always here.